How to turn off watch history on YouTube. Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you the latest method that you can use to turn off watch history on YouTube. So for that, you simply have to go to your YouTube app, and once you're on your YouTube app, you simply have to click this U option on the bottom right corner and then click the settings gear on the top right corner. And now it's going to bring you to this interface, and here you have to click manage all history. And once you do so, it's going to just load this page for you. And now you simply have to choose this option, saving your YouTube history over here. And now you'll be able to see these options over here. You can uncheck these boxes, or you can just click turn off over here, and your YouTube watch history will be turned off. And that's the process that you can follow to turn off your watch history on YouTube. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.